Welcome back to the first lesson of Leena Learns Hindi. So, in this lesson, Leena visits India and meets an Indian family, and she meets all the people that live in a family, and she understands what they are called. So, the first rule that Leena understands is that to give respect, after every word they attach G. This is a very important rule, but I'll come that to the later. First of all, let me start with the very basics. What you call mother, ma, mummy, ammi, mataji. These are four common, but the most common is mummy, and for father, the papa. And this pitaji, this very orthodox people call pitaji. And the next one is your brother. Your brother is called bhai, and your sister is called behan. So let's revise. Mother, mummy, father, papa, brother, bhai, sister, behan, elder brother, bhaiya, elder sister, didi. So now what I told you about the first rule. What the first rule was that we add J I G at after every name to give them respect, like mummy ji, papa ji. But you cannot use them after brother and sister. Remember this. There is nothing such as bhai ji and behan ji. There is nothing such as this. Remember, so of brother, sister, elder brother you can use bhaiya ji, but otherwise nothing. Because the brother sister relationships, these are relationships are very close and do not demand that type of respect like the other relationships demand. So now one more thing you need to understand that in India, the mother side of the family is called different and the father side of the family is called different. I mean the names for the family members of father are different and names of the family members of mother are different. So let's start with father's side. So what will we call father's brother? He is called chacha, and father's brother's wife, like father's brother's wife. You understand that? Father's brother's wife is called chachi, like father's brother chacha and his wife chachi. And father's sister is called bua and her husband is called fufa. Father's father, like grandfather. Every family has two grandfathers. One is the father's side and one is the mother's side. So what do we call father side father, like grandfather, dada, and father side mother, dadi. And now you can simply add ji, dada ji, dadi ji, and bua ji, fufa ji, chacha ji, chachi ji, etc. Now let's come to the mother side of the family. Similarly, mother side of the family, mother's brother is called mama and his wife is called mami. And mother's sister, you can call her aunt, but in general we call them mausi. And the husband of your mother's sister is called mausa. And remember to add g at every after every name except brother and sister. So mother's father is called nana and mother's mother is called nani. Just a quick revision. Mother, mummy, father, papa, brother, bhai, sister, behan. You will not add brother and sister and elder brother. Brother and sister, you will not add G at the end. Then you come to the father side. Father's brother, chacha. Father, his wife, chachi. Father's sister, bua. Her husband, fufa. Father's father, dada. Father's mother, dadi. Mother's brother, mama. His wife, mami. Mother's sister, mausi. Her husband, mausa. Mother's father, nana. Mother's mother, nani. So why am I teaching you in so much detail? Because when you will watch in the movies, then they will say these names like mama, mami, mausa, and then it will be very difficult to understand if you don't know these names. But these are very simple. Mama, mami, chacha, chachi. Half of the names, if you remember, you will already know. Like mom, dad, you already know mummy, papa. So you need to start learning from bhai, brother bhai, and sister behan. And so these is all. Two other names are also very important, but it's not very important, but still if you watch TV shows, Indian TV shows, then this becomes very important. What are those two? First one is saas. This is the mother-in-law is saas, and the daughter-in-law is called bahu. These two are very important because in the movies and TV shows they appear a lot. Mother-in-law is called saas and mother and daughter-in-law is called bahu. So these two are very common, and so I did not write it because it's not so important, because sometimes daughter-in-law is treated like a daughter in India. I mean, like my wife will be treated like a daughter in our home. So this is how the culture is. So, but still, for if you want to say, then it's called bahu, daughter-in-law, and the mother-in-law is called saas. So that's it. I have I'm teaching you this, and it's very easy. Do not panic. Just keep on revising it, and you will get it. And just watch it again and again. And after 4 5 times, if you watch all the videos that I will make, you will learn Hindi. You don't actually, you don't need too much. You don't need too much. Just this the whatever am I teaching, just learn it properly, and you will get it. So that's it. Bye, and we'll be back for the next lesson. Now you can travel back to Algeria. You were in India, so now you can travel back. Bye.